Hi everybody, I'm Matt Benich, the Outreach Coordinator for Greenbelt Land Trust, and I'm here today at Bald Hill Farm in an area of the property where the stewardship staff is restoring native upland prairie habitats. And today I'm going to be planting some Kincaids Lupin in one of the restoration areas. The stewardship staff has been busy planting the lupins and restoring this area for a while now because we're all working from home and staying distanced from each other. I came out to do some of the planting today myself and give you all a look into this project and why we're doing it. Kincaids Lupin is the host plant for the endangered Fender's blue butterfly, and both species are only found here in the Willamette Valley. The butterfly exists in less than 40 or so populations around the valley and was put on the endangered species list in 2001. The butterfly's larvae, the caterpillars, only eat one plant and some associated subspecies of this plant, Kincaids lupin. This is a long-lived perennial that's native to the valley. And so when you want to make habitat for Fender's blue, when you want to make some space, give them some more habitat, you have to start by planting the host plant, Kincaids lupin. Here are some of the Kincaids lupin plants I'll be planting today. Want to say thank you to our partners at the Institute for Applied Ecology for providing us with these seedlings. Kincaids lupin is a very long-lived perennial plant. As you can see, just this seedling, just a few months old, has already got a very well-established system of roots. Mature plants in the wild can develop a taproot several meters deep into the earth and can live for well over 100 years. The planting methods that I'll be using today are pretty straightforward. I've got a planting dibble. I'm going to make a hole here in this planting plot, which has been gridded out so that we're planting these on 1 foot centers. So every 1 foot there's another row, and putting one plant every foot along that row. I've removed the plant carefully from the container and going to just ease it into the hole. Tuck it in, and hopefully in a few years we'll have a mature lupin plant in this spot. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for joining me here today at Bald Hill Farm to learn a little bit more about Kincaids lupin and the work that our stewardship staff is doing to protect and restore habitat for species like Fender's blue butterfly. We'll be revisiting Fender's blue as the season progresses. The adults will be out and flying in the next several weeks. We'll take a look at nectar sources for the adults. We'll take a look at habitat requirements and the overall effort among Greenbelt and our partners here in the Willamette Valley to save this endangered species and the habitats that they need. And as long as we're all staying home and staying safe, we'll keep bringing you content from the field, and we hope that as soon as possible we can all get together again on the land at places like Bald Hill Farm, the places we all love, and learn and explore and enjoy them together.